Okay.
Hello, good morning. How are you, Ghana?
Ghana here. We are at rehearsals. I'm going to show you guys around. Ven conmigo. Your friends.
Ipinasilip ang mga kaganapan sa pasabog na rehearsals ng mga kandidata ngayong hapon. Hindi pa tukoy kung ang rehearsal na magaganap ngayong hapon ay para sa magaganap naman na pasabog gala dinner mamayang gabi, pero makikitang nagre-rehearse na nga sila at makikitang malawak ang venue ng kanilang rehearsal. Tila magkakaroon daw ng patalbugan mamayang gabi sa gala dinner kung saan susuotin daw ng mga kandidata ang kanilang pasabog na gowns mamaya.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. How are you, Ghana?
Ghana here. We are at rehearsals. I'm going to show you guys around. Ven conmigo. Your friends here doing this. And as you can see, the space is giving rehearsal. It's giving choreography. It's giving girls. It's giving high heels. It's giving hairspray. It's giving setting spray. It's giving butt glue. Let's go. Hi. More girls. And we go a bit taller. Welcome to rehearsal. Can't give you guys too much of the tea, so stay tuned.
Inaabangan ng tapatan ng styling ng, of course, two of the main stars ng competition, sina Philippines at Thailand. Sa rehearsal nila today, suot ni Atisa ang kanyang all-black bodysuit, samantalang naka-white sneaker naman siya. For Vina naman, kanina nakasuot siya ng white dress, then nagpalit siya ng kanyang outfit for the rehearsal kung saan makikitang naka-pink suit siya inside with white jacket kinda top. Ayan, anong say mo, Day? Abangan daw ang pasabog na gala dinner mamayang gabi dahil susuotin daw nila ang kanilang pasabog na mga gowns. Ano na naman kaya ang susuotin ni Atisa?
Diba?
Ano kaya?